So I used fabric paint on a rubber stamp and as a paint medium with paintbrushes to draw on this fabric. First, you need to protect your fabric by placing a cardboard behind so it doesn't bleed through. Then put paint on a paintbrush and paint the rubber stamp. Stamp it on, pressing on really hard. It came out perfect. Make sure to clean your rubber stamp with a baby wipe. After that, I tried to write some text with tiny little letter rubber stamps, and I have to admit this was not the way I wanted it to come out. First of all, I added too little, then too much paint, and I couldn't get the words or the letters straight, so I didn't like it. So I messed up the R altogether, and I just decided I would write some text by using a paintbrush. Now, the paintbrush was not the easiest thing to do. It took me almost 20 minutes just to write clean clothes on the fabric, and I decided that if I was going to do this again, I would use a fabric paint marker next time instead of using a paintbrush. Once that's done, you have to color in the rabbit or your stamp design, and I used four different colors. I used blue, white, red, and green. I used a smaller paintbrush and that made it so much easier. You can reuse the same paintbrush just by making sure you wipe it clean in between colors with a baby wipe. And it doesn't affect the paintbrush. You don't have to rinse it. If you just wipe it with a baby wipe, it is perfect to use for any other color. Like you can see, I went from blue to white and the white was still white. So the baby wipe really cleans the paintbrushes really well. After I was done coloring the rabbit, I decided to add some color to the text. I didn't like the way that it had come out with just the black. I thought it looked very just crooked, and it wasn't my favorite. Like I said, I would definitely use a paint fabric marker next time. So I added color to the word Ryan, and I put blue on top of the black for clean clothes, and it definitely looked a lot better than just using just black paint. So this is it. This is my project. I made the bag using scrap pieces of fabric I had. I was able to put an emergency set of clothes for my car. I could fit in a diaper, a t-shirt, pants, shorts, and it's pretty well. It looks really cute. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.